If you're serious about woodworking, having the right hand planer can make all the difference in achieving smooth, even finishes on your projects. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, a high-quality hand planer will save you time and effort. But with so many options available, how do you choose the best one? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 best hand planers for 2025. We'll break down their features, performance, and value for money so you can make an informed decision. Stay tuned because the number 1 pick might surprise you. Before we dive in, don't forget to check the description box and the pinned comment for product links and exclusive deals. And if you love woodworking content like this, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a review. Now, let's get started. Bosch 3¼ inch woodworking hand planer. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Bosch 3¼ inch woodworking hand planer, a powerhouse designed for precision and efficiency. Equipped with a 6.5 amp motor, this planer delivers an impressive 16,500 revolutions per minute, ensuring smooth cuts on even the toughest hardwoods. The dual-mount fence allows for stability and accuracy, while the ambidextrous lock-off release button enhances safety. One of its standout features is the chip ejection system, which lets you control the direction of debris, keeping your workspace cleaner. If you're looking for a reliable hand planer that delivers clean, precise cuts without breaking the bank, the Bosch 3¼ inch woodworking hand planer is an excellent choice. Check out the link in the description to get yours today. Jet 13-inch benchtop planer, helical style. Jet 13-inch benchtop planer, helical style. At number 4, we have the Jet 13-inch benchtop planer, helical style. Unlike traditional straight blade planers, this one features a helical cutter head with 26 two-sided inserts, providing a smoother finish with less tear out. Powered by a 2-horsepower motor, it handles even the hardest woods effortlessly. The cast iron base keeps the planer stable, reducing vibrations and enhancing accuracy. Plus, the precision depth adjustment ensures consistency across all your projects. If you're a serious woodworker looking for a benchtop planer that delivers professional quality results, this is one to consider. Want to take your woodworking to the next level? Click the link in the description to grab yours now. When 6,536 amp electric hand planer, 3¼ inch. Taking the third spot is the Wen 6,536 amp electric hand planera, budget-friendly option packed with powerful features. With a 6 amp motor that produces 34,000 cuts per minute, this tool ensures fast and precise material removal. It comes with 16 positive stop positions, allowing you to adjust cutting depth from 0 to 1/8 inches. The dust bag and parallel fence bracket add to its convenience, making cleanup and accurate planing easier than ever. Despite its affordability, the Wen 6530 delivers performance comparable to higher-end models. If you're looking for an efficient and lightweight hand planer that won't break the bank, check out the link in the description now. DEWALT hand planer, 5.5 amp, 3¼ inch. Coming in at number 2, the DEWALT hand planer is a trusted name in the woodworking industry. Featuring a 5.5 amp motor, it delivers 34,000 cuts per minute, ensuring fast and smooth stock removal. One of its best features is the precision-machined aluminum shoe, which guarantees perfectly flat surfaces. It also has a kickstand to prevent unintentional gouging of your workpiece. The Poly V drive belt extends tool life, making this planer an excellent long-term investment. Whether you're working on doors, cabinets, or furniture, the DEWALT hand planer delivers precision and durability. Interested in adding this powerhouse to your toolbox? Click the link in the description to check it out now. CRAFTSMAN planer, 15 amp, for benchtops. And now, for our top pick, the CRAFTSMAN planer, 15 amp, for benchtops. If you need a planer that can handle large-scale projects with ease, this is the one for you. The 15 amp motor generates 8,000 revolutions per minute, making it one of the most powerful benchtop planers available. It features 2 high-carbon steel cutter knives, providing long-lasting sharpness and smooth finishes. The stainless steel in-feed and out-feed tables offer superior support, while the Poly V belt drive ensures efficiency and durability. Whether you're a professional contractor or a passionate DIYer, this planer delivers precision, power, and performance. Want the best hand planer in 2025? Click the link in the description to grab yours today. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best hand planers for 2025. Which one do you think suits your needs best? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Tool Mentorship for more in-depth tool reviews. Also, remember to check the description box and the pinned comment for the best deals on these products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.